One of the challenges I think that we have, particularly in healthcare, is basically the number of people that are involved with patients. So in a lot of industries, you can narrow decision-making process, you can narrow impact to outsiders, to vendors. In healthcare, we have thousands of nurses and thousands of doctors who all individually work with patients, who all individually work with vendors and outside, have outside contact. So it's a lot more difficult from monitoring and auditing and even communicating policies and directions, because you have to get down literally to all 40,000 employees. You can't just hit 5 or 10 or 100 and get there. So it's challenging in the healthcare environment to do it, which is why you need to have solid programs and tone at the top and tone at the middle, who really hit the ground level employees.